CDO, we are going to the first ever meet and greet of CDO Vloggers. So today is December 14 and it's already 1:06 in the afternoon. And yes, we're heading to the venue, and the venue is at Studio Art Cafe. So sobrang ganda ng venue natin ngayon, guys. So let's see how this goes, and I am hoping to meet all of the CDO vloggers sana. But yes, we'll see kung sino yung naandon, and yes, I will bring you with me and let's see how this goes. This event is indeed a dream come true. It is our dream to gather all the CDO vloggers in one venue. Nana, may there is a Studio Art Cafe, and we are now on the registration part. Ayan. So, gasat up na sila. Kunan natin. So much more than I
welcome back to our channel vlog net. Nami karon diri sa The Studio Cafe. So we're doing our first ever meet and greet diri sa Cagayan de Oro City, and I hope nga mga tanan mga vloggers diha makanimo diri sa mga karon. Apas na mo bye. Tara, apas nang bye. So guys, I would like to introduce to you our speaker for this afternoon's event. Yeah, she is really one of the credible speakers from Cagayan de Oro Vloggers. Maliban na maganda, ayan. Ulit din na nagugurahan.
400 na ito da?
Good luck to me.
Good luck to you. Welcome to your channel.
Yes,
say hi.
Studio
Art Cafe.
Studio Art Cafe.
Sige, pag-start naman.
Hi! Subscribe sa my channel, Batang Subol. Hi mga boss, mga best. Subscribe to my channel, Prettyboydonskie. Yeah.
Sweeter than I ever dreamed. Darling, you make me believe in make believe. Darling, you make the whole world. What you do for the sky. It's so much more than I ever knew. It's bigger than.
I am very proud of my AUV family. I can say that we've worked hard. We've worked very hard to accomplish this simple event. And to all the participants, to all the speakers, the lovely Sir Ting, Sir Jelf, Aquino of CDO, thank you so much for gracing the event. It is an honor and privilege to have the three of you. Thank you so much for the insights that you have shared. We indeed created a history. The first ever CDO Vloggers Meet and Greet 2019.
The second one is snare, and the third is bass, and the fourth is like some weird sound, and the fifth is what? Very basic. So I will combine all the sound.
Thank you so much, CDO Vloggers, and congratulations, my AUV fam.
CDO Vloggers!